Alright guys, so today we'll be playing Subway Surfers, but we have a vlog out, I don't know when, but I'm doing it with Sean. I'm gonna try to make a goal as we go on to try to hit. I'm gonna say 10,000 right now, and that might change if we hit it right now. Oh God, scared me. Oh, well, that's a rip. How's that freaking cop catching up to me? It's huge. I'm like 2 feet, and that man's like 8 feet. And 600 pounds. I need 2 L's and an S. What is this? What the? I do not know what that is. Oh no. Oh look, there's an L. Run, Forrest, run! Take the easier route. Oop. So I need an S, and I'll have hills. Oh, I thought that was a dead end. If you want to know who Dumbutt is, it's my cousin. Oh, there's hills. Free. I'm gonna do free. Because I'm trying to hit this challenge. And then I'm gonna stop the video. This is so boring. Boom, there you go. Oops. Oh gosh. Oh, I hit my mark. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.